Well, Jim went to Newport News and Floor and Decor and picked up the rest of the flooring. So our upstairs mother-in-law suite is packed with these 45 boxes of flooring all over the apartment. And what we did today is we started putting our flooring down. This is like, I think, a gunstock oak solid wood floor, and Jim got it started. Then he and I came up and teamed together and put in half the flooring for the master bedroom in the mother-in-law suite. And I want to tell you, this floor is absolutely stunning. It looks brown in the video, but it's got this beautiful underlying red tint to it. There you go, a little bit better image of it. But we've decided that we're going to get this put down in the entire mother-in-law suite upstairs over the garage. And because it's just absolutely so beautiful, we're going to be putting it throughout the rest of the house downstairs too. So I'm surmising that the flooring here plus the flooring downstairs is going to run us probably 11 grand to get it all in. But hardwood flooring in a home can actually, add twice its value to the home itself.